Hi, this is Phil. This is a video I've been meaning to make for a while and I've just not got around to doing it properly, so I'm just going to do a quick thing to show you what I've got here, because I think people need to see this. I'm looking at my browser, I'm clicking a link, I'm opening my program which is called OWL. OWL stands for Outlining with Wiki Linking. It's a combination of the Concord editor with some fairly simple wiki-like features. Here's what you see when you basically launch a Python server. You point your browser at localhost and you see something like this on the screen. It's the Hello World page. That's your first page. Left and right or back and forward buttons there, and some items. This is the standard Concord outliner, so I'm just going to add, you can see I've got, say, links to some learning projects, things I want to learn about, like how to do a decent screencast in Linux, processing JS, how to do CoffeeScript processing, but today, well, actually let's just do that again, shall we? You see we've got a link there. We went to another page. The page is called Learning Projects, and that had these extra items on it. We click the back button, we're back on the first page called Hello World again. If we click the forward button, we're on the Learning Projects page again. It's wiki. Right, how do we get that? Well, look, let's just make another page here. I mean, you understand this is outlining, so we can have video demo, and we can put in, say, make film, create item, make film, show Android. So these are the things I'm going to do today. That's standard outlining. Suppose I wanted to make this into another page, rather than do that here. Firstly I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to say, well, I'm going to make the video itself into, I basically just highlight that and I make it into a link with this button here. I click that, it's now become a link. I click it, it's given me a new page called video demo. I'm going to paste in that stuff that I was doing before. Just scroll back up here again, and you'll see I pasted it in. I've got that stuff. It's a bit mechanical, there's no automatic way to move it. I'm going to have to now delete it this side, but I can do that quickly enough. So now I've got a new video demo item here. So that's basically OWL, outliner with wiki linking. The basic parts are the Concord editor, the very good HTML browser-based editor that comes out of Dave Weiner's Fargo project. With this little bar I've added at the top that gives page names, a button to create links to new pages. All those pages are saved on the via the Python program on the machine. Now on the machine I'm running btsync, and over here I also have my Android tablet where I'm also running btsync, and right, let's check. Here is btsync. Let's check that this is doing its job, syncing. You'll see that there's an OWL directory being synced there. If we go and look inside it, we'll see, hopefully, that the Hello World page, I'm just going to open it in a text file initially just to make sure this is working, and you'll see that video demo, which wasn't there previously, is now there. That's looking promising. So let's now come out of that and go into OWLdroid itself, and you will see indeed that video demo is there. If I had to click that, we go into the second page, the video demo page, and there are the items we just created. Create item, make film, show Android. I think we've done basically all those three things. Clearly we can edit the file here. It's a bit clunkier on the tablet, but if I was to say done, that automatically saves it. Create item is done. Come back here. Now it is not instantaneous. I cannot guarantee that the syncing has already happened. I'll be honest with you, I left it a little bit. There was a cut in the video. Let's go and look at the video. Okay, you see that the done has now appeared. So all of this is done with btsync, a very good syncing program. And basically OWL, which is the Concord editor, wrapped with very, very simple wiki page structure. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'm now going to edit out the embarrassing bit in the middle of this video.